Hi everyone, so welcome to another vlog. Today we are on our way to Kakkadampoyil, which is a small village near Nilambur. It is basically situated in Koodaranji panchayat in Calicut or Kozhikode. But even though it is in a different district, it shares border with Moolepadam district where Nilambur comes in. So people who are living in and around Nilambur has easy access to this destination. Talking about Kakkadampoyil, it is a hilltop village with a lot of beautiful mountains and waterfalls. This is the reason why it is one of the main tourist destinations in the Malabar region of Kerala. And over the last 2 years, the tourism in this place has grown a lot, and you can expect a lot of visitors daily, especially during weekends. So I would highly recommend to avoid visiting the place during weekends. On the way to Kakkadampoyil, there is a beautiful spot called Moolepadam waterfalls, which you should definitely check out. So we have stopped here and let's take a look. So we have to climb a few stairs down to reach the bridge from where we can see the water. It is more of a stream of water than actual waterfall. Since it has been raining continuously for days here, the streams are full and the water looks so rough and dangerous. But due to the same reason, it looks very beautiful when it blends with the nature and the sceneries, and the photos that we can get from here is really good. We spent some time there and we decided to head back on our journey to Kakkadampoyil. The road to Kakkadampoyil village is not the best. There are a lot of potholes, and since it was raining, it was very difficult to understand whether it's a pothole or just water, as you know. But once we reach the village, the roads are really good, as you can see. And once we reach the town, there is a deviation that we should take towards the Kakkadampoyil mountains. So once we reach the small chapel junction, if we go right down, that's the way to Kozhikode waterfalls, which is one of the famous waterfalls here. But we are going on a hike to Kakkadampoyil mountains, so we went straight. Finally, we have reached the base from where the trekking starts, and jeep service are available here, which will take us close to the base of the mountain if you are not in a mood to walk. It wasn't as cold as we expected, but it was very foggy even at the base of the hill, and we could barely see things around us. And we started our trek towards the hills. As you can see, the jeep services are very common here, and you can go up and come down with the service from the base of the hill. They charge 500 rupees per jeep. So if you're coming as a group and decides to get jeep, it will only cost a small portion per head. So we have reached the base of the hill. The jeep services will only come till here, so everyone should go by foot from here. Even though the distance from the base of the hill to the top is less, the climb is a little steep and not easy to climb. So we need to be physically fit in order to reach the top of the hill. Finally, we reached the top of the hill, our destination, and the climate was very chill and it was very windy. After spending enough time on the hill, we have decided to descend back down and return home. The best time to visit Kakkadampoyil is during the monsoon or a rainy season, when the hills will be covered with fogs and offer a very chill climate. We reached down back to the base and decided to get a coffee and eat something from the nearby restaurant. And we started our drive back home after having a lot of fun and feeling the day well spent. So this is the end to our small trip to Kakkadampoyil, and I hope you all liked it. Moreover, I hope you will visit the place whenever you are near the area. Especially during this time is the best time to climb the hills, to enjoy some free time from the busy life. Hi guys, what's up? So I hope you all liked the small trip to Kakkadampoyil. പിന്നെ ഞാൻ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ വ്ളോഗ് എടുത്തതെന്ന് ആരെങ്കിലും ചിന്തിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതൊരു എക്സ്പെരിമെൻ്റാണ്. ഇങ്ങനെ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും റിസൾട്ട് എന്ന് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. ഒരു ബിഗർ ഓഡിയൻസിനെ ഞാൻ എക്സ്പെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ട്രാൻസ്ലേഷൻ എന്ന്. സോ ഇതുവരെ കണ്ടിരുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും താങ്ക്സ് എ ലോട്ട്. Keep watching, there will be more videos coming in. Until then, see you and bye.